Hey guys, whew, it's been a while. It's been a while that I have not posted anything here today on YouTube. Actually, forgive me, forgive me, guys. I've been very busy lately. Life has, it has gone into me lately, and I haven't had a chance to actually do anything. Like last month, I actually was a groomsman for a wedding, back to back. Oh, excuse me. Oh, my eye is itching for some reason. Just when I started the video. But yeah, I was back to back. I was a groomsman for 2 weddings, and it was a very busy month for me. So, forgive me. And some other events happened as well throughout the previous weeks. And I just been busy. Like I haven't had a Saturday for myself lately. So today's Saturday, and might as well use it. I decided not to do anything, at least morning. I may do something later on, but anyway, I'm digressing. But I just want to give you like a little, like what's going on, because it's been a while, and the reason why I haven't been posting anything lately. But I will get back to it, I promise. I just need to manage my time better, and once I'm able to do that, then I'm gonna get back to it, I promise. I know that's my New Year's resolution. So I'm definitely gonna get back to it, going back to those videos or me making a Mario game. Definitely, I've been thinking about it. Like, here's my board. I have everything written up with Mario, like Chuck, and all this kind of stuff. So it's just there. I haven't deleted it or removed anything. So I'm not gonna let it go. But anyway, that was not the purpose of this video, what's going on. But I guess let's make it a vlog. It's been a while, so I hope you guys has been great. I hope you guys liking the video so far that I have been posting up, and I hope you guys enjoying it. That's mostly why I'm posted up. I'm mostly doing it for myself, like I always have said since the beginning of when I started making videos. I'm just posting it because I want to post it, and if you guys enjoy it, that's awesome. That's so awesome. But anyway, today I have an awesome thing that I want to show you guys. I bought something yesterday, and I decided to do it with you guys, and it's gonna be an unboxing video and blogish at the same time. Forgive me. I'm just gonna let you guys know I'm not gonna start any unboxing or anything from anything at all. Like, I know a lot of people already do it, and I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna do this because I decided to do it with you guys and enjoy it. I just bought this yesterday. MSI GeForce GTX 1070 Gaming X, and it's an 8GB DirectX 12 and BR ready. MSI. I saw this. I've been wanting to buy a graphics card for a long time, and I decided to do it today. So, and I'm gonna show you my current setup. I'm not sure if you guys knew about it. I know I did post it like a long time ago that I bought my computer CyberPower PC. That was like 3 years ago. But so this is my tower is huge. It's a monster. It's a beast. So I know for sure it will fit here. So my current graphics card is a GeForce GTX EVGA 670 FTW, and it's a definitely upgrade to a 1070, from 670 to a 1070. Definitely, it's a big upgrade, and it's red, so it definitely does illuminate red when it's dark. So I decided to get a red one. So why not, right? Why not? And I'm definitely excited about this. Definitely excited. So I'm gonna change my GoPro to be mounted on my head, and I'll come back to you guys in a bit. See you guys. Alright, I hope you guys can see that. Apologize. I don't have anything mounted on my head anyway, but I am mounting the camera in my head. So, and it's a GoPro, just in case you guys were wondering. But yeah, so this is great. I'm excited. GeForce GTX 1070. I know, like, you guys may wonder why I didn't get a 1080 or anything. It's a pretty expensive card, so I didn't want to go too high yet. But definitely excited about it. So let's open it up, shall we? Let's open it up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Forgive me, I'm probably gonna cut that out, but I just wanted to make sure you guys can see what I'm seeing, because sometimes I don't mount it correctly on top of my head or anything. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Let's open it up. Let's put this off to the side. Whew. Alright. Box after box. Here it goes. Alright, just gonna put this off to the side because I don't have enough breathing room here. Oh, it's backwards. Oops. Oh no, wait, what? Oh, my bad. Yeah, it was backwards. So there's an MSI here. MSI Gaming Series G. What's in here? Anything useful for me, for moi? Anything for moi? Or is it just, there we go. How am I struggling? Something hard in here. Or there's a driver's utility stuff. Nothing crazy. There's some stickers, of course. And I'm just telling you how to put it up, I guess. Nobody reads manuals anyway. A guide, actually. It's a guide, my bad. Let's put this to the side. I'll come back to that. I'll clean it up after that. So let's open it up. Ooh, I am seeing it now. Oh, I don't know why I'm reading that. Alright. Well, here's the bad boy. Wow, it's big. It is definitely big. Wow. Yeah, it should fit there, right? Dang. I'm tripping out a little bit because, yeah, I mean, I know it should fit. Well, it's pretty heavy too. I wonder if it's not gonna do anything bad to it. But, alright, whatever. Alright, let's open it up. Let's put this to the side. Don't need you right now. Don't need ya. I don't need ya. Wow, this is a big graphics card. It's a monster. Wow. This is crazy. Yeah, that's why I questioned it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to update it. I'll tell you guys in a bit. Alright, wow, this is awesome. I just can't believe how monster a graphics card this is. This is a monster. Remote before gaming. Wow, alright. I'm excited, guys. I am definitely excited. Definitely want to find out if it's actually gonna. Oh, yeah, well, okay. Definitely excited to put this up right now. Wow. And I know these light up to red, which is awesome. And you can change the color on this too if you wanted to. I don't know what to. I am so speechless right now. Alright. Okay. But now it's time to put it up. I just need to open it up. I'm not gonna show that. Well, I don't know. Should I? I'll think about it. But the only thing that I have a question about is that I don't know. I probably use one because I may not have the cable to connect to the monitor. So I may have it for one monitor, but not for all of them. But either way, I want to upgrade my monitors. I want to upgrade my monitors because these monitors are not going to do any justice to this graphics card. They're really cheap monitors. When I got it, I got these monitors like 3 years ago. There's an Asus, a 20-inch, 1600 by 900 resolution. So it's not even a 1080. I don't think. No, it's not a 1080. I believe it's not. But it's very cheap monitors when I got it, and yeah, I definitely am planning to upgrade to better monitors. So I'm gonna end up selling these, and it's gonna take me a while. I'm not gonna buy all the monitors in one go because I need to save. Well, I mean, I can if But I need to wait on my other paychecks. I mean, I could buy it now, but I'm probably not gonna. I'm probably gonna end up being broke, possibly, or maybe not. I don't know. But I hate to see my bank account really low money on it. So, and I know the monitors I want to get at least cost $400 each, at least to make this graphics card do it justice, you know. But I believe I should at least make it work with one monitor. If not, I have a bunch of cables back there, so I might look into it. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, welcome back to me actually. So I already installed the graphics card, so this is looking so amazing right now. I just need to get the monitors though, like I said earlier. But after a couple hours, I had to go back to the store again. I needed to get new cables from DVI to a DisplayPort, because it takes 3 DisplayPorts and 1 HDMI. I already have a DVI to an HDMI, so I just needed 2 more cables, and they're not that cheap, you know. I did not know that, but I ended up getting it, and now it's running 3 monitors. Well, they're weak monitors anyway, but I'm gonna plan on getting better monitors. As probably next month, I'm gonna start getting one, like one at a time. So 1 month I'll get one, next month after that I'll get another one, and a month after that I'll get the other one. So I'll be a slow process, but within 3 months I should get a better monitors. But that is the plan. That is the plan. But for now, this will do. And I noticed that it's working. And here is, and let me go down a little bit. So this is the bad boy right here. We could flash the lights. I could change it to different ones. There's either a breathing one, this is what the MSI is doing, and just a flashing one like this one's doing. There's either a double flash or a single flash. There's only 3 different ones. Or you could choose a random, which I don't know. I'm deciding which I want to do. I do like the breathing one. But right now I'm still deciding like which flash I want to do. But for now, this works. You know what? Let me turn off the light. I apologize. Let's see. Hopefully it's not too dark. I do need a little bit more red in here. Where's my phone? Maybe I could put a light here. Oh, there it is. There it is. Hold on. Let me put light a little bit. Hopefully, just so I can illuminate here a little bit better. You know. Well, the light doesn't do it too much justice, but it does. I'm trying to figure out a good place to put the light. But yeah, there you go, guys. It's a beast card, actually. I actually took a picture of it, and it's so big. I actually had to change this blue wire. This blue wire right here. I had to actually cut it out and move it a little bit this way. Because my previous graphics card, it used to stop like around here, so it had a chance to actually plug in to that place right there where the blue wire goes. But now that this is a little bit more wider, or longer I should say, I had to like make a little bit of adjustments to make it work. But yeah, there you go. I'm excited, definitely excited about this. But hopefully, you know, you guys like this video. Apologize for not making too much videos though, but I made this video just to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on, because I haven't posted anything lately, but I'm definitely gonna go back to it, I promise. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good night, because I'm gonna go to bed, or maybe I'll edit a video then go to bed. But whatever happens, I hope you guys have a good day. I'm not sure if I'll be posting video next week since it's Christmas, but I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas with your families, with your loved ones, and I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, stay strong, guys. Keep it up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Signing out.